Nah, I'm back. What's up, everybody? So I wasn't able to stream it last night, but I did get some stuff put together. Let me show that off right here. So yeah, we now have like an official level like set, which just has one right here, but we're gonna make some more levels, we're gonna fix some bugs, etc, etc. The first one on my mind here is there is a bug with the remote players, and I'm not quite sure how this started happening. I have an idea on how to fix this, because I also want to fix a different problem. Oop, there we go. Come on. So I'll just go ahead and create a server here. Join said server. And you'll notice the person that joined is in the floor. Not exactly sure why this is, but it seems that it's like getting their X and Z position, but not their Y position. And the Y position just gets set to 0. Or it could be some weird physics calculation, I'm not really sure. Either way, I kind of want to fix this with, like, having the host of the match tell people where to spawn, because if we do that, then we can actually keep track of, like, who used what spawners and, like, sequentially do it so that we don't just have everyone spawning in a random spot and possibly on top of each other. So we'll get, like, a pseudo-random, spawn. Because right now it's fully random, and we can have duplicates because it's all asynchronous, essentially. If I go into this... Not here. Where's my, like, level loader, I think it's called? Right, so in create tile, I think... No... Oh, you know what, actually? That's fine. Okay. Well, after we load the level, there's something around, Not refresh player list. Oh, well, that's a different thing altogether. Load level from data, that's fine. Where the hell do we spawn the player in, though? Oh, get spawn point. Here we go. So we find all the objects, we take a random one of these, and then, yeah, position, okay. I almost wonder if it's like getting bad data in here. That could be the case, but honestly, this could almost just be moot if I, instead of having each player call this, let the host call this and dish the details out. The only thing is it needs to, like, send it to specific players. So I could almost have, like, a... Actually, this might be better also, is just have the player call out to the host here. So if you're the host, you can just call it this way, but then if you're the player... Oh, the other thing I want to do is... So we have player spawn. just have a variable on it called times used. Don't let people edit that in the Unity editor because that's not what we need it there for. Now we'll be more specific, times used in match. This way we can have people respawning if we want as well, although I don't know if we'd need this logic to carry over for that. Either way, this will help us achieve this particular so I guess the other thing too is like it could be spawning at just vector 0 because there's no spawn points. So this will get us there slowly. So we'll increment it this way. We're just gonna blindly assume that like this will all flow in through the base player spawn. Or through the host. Like the other individual players won't be executing this. Because otherwise this won't work. So it'll give us an int, right? Okay, yeah. So we want to get the minimum value of times used in match. And then using that value, filter the spawn points. Like this. Oh, and then that needs to be an array. Okay. So this all works in local code. Now we just need to... this is where I'm going to need to start Googling. So... on to... call host with return. Oh, raise event. Okay, this might be it. So we have RPCs, which are sort of fire and forget. Raise event. Oh, hold on. With photonnetwork.raise event, you can make your own events and send them without relation to some networked object. Events are described using a unique identifier, the event code. This might not be what I need. It kind of looks like it might be, though. To receive custom events, you have two possibilities. Okay, no, that's just like your callback. You know what? Oops, wrong window focus here. Let me see if I can find a good example in my own code. So like, spawned by player, okay. Yeah, okay, this init params, what do we call that? Okay. On lay bomb. We call initialize. Okay, so this is more so just like just update every instance with this data, which is not what we're looking for. Now we could, if I could find some way to like universally identify each player, we could like attach that data to the player and say, you know, okay, you spawn at this point, you spawn at this point. We have username, but I don't think we have much beyond that. Where is this like on player connected? I know I have something like this. There might be more data I can track on the individual people connected. Ah. What is happening? Oh, you know what? I'm in the wrong class. That's what's happening. There we go. Right, so we have this Photon real-time player. We have their nickname, but user ID. I just had that nightmare of being wrong in the wrong class. Nice, good one. Actor number. This might be better too. Ooh, player list other. This is looking good. So that's looking pretty good. Okay, yeah. So here's what we're gonna do. This will be a little silly. Actually, you know what? We don't even need to use others because we need to spawn ourselves in as the host as well, so it's not really a... We can kind of just loop over the same logic, I think. Right, so... we're basically gonna need to wait. So create controller. Are these gonna get broken if I haven't spawned the player yet? No. Okay, that's good. Okie dokie. There might be some sequencing errors that happen here, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Right, so instead of create controller... Yeah, I don't know why I'm hesitating. It's just... get in there. So we want the full player list. This is using links, so better cache this value update when players leave / join. Oh yeah, we'll also need to find a spawn for a player when they join. Well, okay, one of the things I want to do tonight is make it so players can't join once the game is started. I don't know how to do that, but I'm sure there's a way. But basically, we just need to make it not show up on the list. Oh shoot, how do I set the parameters for that? How do I do any of this? Hold on. Let me go find some other RPC calls that I've set up. Bomb. Okay. So this just has params, right? Yeah. Oh, and it auto, like, casts the type, too. Nice. Okay, so to use the view, call .rpc. The player manager should have one of these, I think. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Come on. Get in there. So this is one that we don't want buffered because we'll need to like recall this manually on the way in because we'll have a new spawn point to give them. Oh, shoot. Yeah, I guess we'll have to... Well, maybe you can pass a transform over, we'll see. Find out very quickly whether this works or not. Boop-a-doop-boop. 1 point. Identifier of this player in the current room. Yeah. That is the value I'm looking for. So what we need to do here... Oh, I fucked up. So wait, local player is... This is this client's instance of the player instance. Perfect. Oh, right, the view. So we'll RPC this to whatever the current actor number is, and then that. I think that all works, except I don't know if vector3 is valid as a parameter type. If it's not, we'll just have to send the XYZ separately. Oh well, too bad, so sad. Let's test it out on just one player. Oh hey look, my room is still active. Incredible. Looks like that worked. I'll just test it out with 2 players. If we get this, this will be both a bug fix and a feature done. Come on, baby. Alright, so we should spawn in separate spots now. Well, we didn't. We're both above ground, though. Progress. Oh, I know why we didn't. Oh my god. Because I just used ++. I didn't actually, like... Or I think I didn't set the right instance. What's up, D314? No, that should increment the actual value. Shoot. This is a direct reference to the actual object, so it's not like this is just some struct I'm messing with. It's even a mono behavior, so it has some persistence to it. Oh yeah. Okay. I suppose let's try it again. This time with debugging. So this will need to be the host, otherwise this logic won't fire off. Well, somehow we managed to fix a bug without adding a new feature. I didn't hit create. We'll see what we get. It's high up on the list of things to do. Actually, you know what? The number one thing I need to do, I haven't done yet. It'll take me like 3 seconds, but I need to do it. Oh, cool. Okay, so spawn points. We got 2 of them. Times used 0, times used 0. Both of them were still there. The minimum one was 0. Now this time used 0, time used 1. Time used 0 is the least. So we're down to 1. So we got a different spawn this time. Should be between, you know, 0 and 1. So 0 to -2. And then this breaks, of course. Oh, it broke on both ends. That's super weird. That might be a pun-related thing. Print it out, frame it. I mean, Goon face we can make happen very easily, if that's reassuring at all to you. The cheeks are more complicated because I actually have to do some modeling. Spawn offset +1. I wish. Okay, here's a better test I can do than what I was about to do. So since it seems to like to break once I whenever I use the debugger, let's just print it out. I think this turns into a 2-string very nicely, but I can't remember. Alright. Picked spawn point. Wait, what? Why did you pick it? It picked... Oh. Oh. Music is so tense. We're down to the wire. Of course it's tense. Something else might be calling this. Because it called each of these twice. That's probably how this happened. This is the only place we call this. This is the only place we call this. Only if you are the host. And besides, either way, like, the... Right on. Have a good night, D314. Thanks for popping in. Okay. 1 second here. Huh. One thing that's a little annoying is, yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do this. Unity's like Logger, by default, it groups messages to try to reduce noise, but in situations like this, I can't tell the order that things are happening in, so I need to throw a stupid-ass, like, date timestamp in there. Here's a fun question. If nobody's in the room, does it... Okay, it does let me make the room with the same name. Okay, set up player 1. Set up player 2. Done setting up players. Oh wait, it did each of these like twice though. Oh my god, I need to like... That wasn't like detailed enough for it. Since it's happening the same minute, doesn't seem to care. Sometimes I hate this logger. I also need to figure out why that error happens when you come back to the title screen. It's all a bunch of little stuff that hopefully will knock out pretty quick. This is like a harder problem to solve. I'm at least happy that we have the people spawning on top of each other is at least like somewhat fixed. You know what, I should have done this after my message, but whatever, that works. Alright. Set up player 1. Picked spawn blah. Instantiated player. Set up player 2. Picked different spawn. Done setting up players. Set up player 1. Picked spawn blah. Set up player 2. Picked spawn blah. And they Ouroboros each other. Why did this get called twice? Oh wait, well, hold on, we have a stack trace, okay. So this one over here got called from start. That's how both these went in here. Oh my god. Ah, Rocket League. Ah, a folder. Y'all saw nothing. Actually, while we're on that topic, hold on. I don't know why Steam is on this window anyway. I have one friend playing the murder of Sonic the Hedgehog right now. And it's Epio. Caught ya. Anyway. No one will ever see the proof of that since I had my screen hidden. Yeah, so I know how this is happening. There are 2 instances of this. Where's the start? This is why you need to have that is mine. Actually, yeah, why the hell is this not just all like this? So it's actually double initializing everything. Well, that probably fixes a couple other random issues. Cool. In fact, game's done. Let's release this thing. I bet this will work now. Also, I need to remove those debug logs. At some point, we're gonna need to start making some levels. Because there's like a level, and it's this. Oh, what the hell? Well, we only spawned everybody once this time. Player 2 didn't quite get in here, though. Okay. Oh, I wonder if this is some, like, ordering thing. Also... Wait. No, this is safe now because we're already checking that up there. Right, so we load the level. That's all fine. There's gotta be a way to, like, say, hey, other client, here's a method I'm calling, I want a response from this. Because that could also make this maybe a little cleaner. Although I don't hate this either, like, you know, whoever the host is, like, setting this up and then sending the message out. Get the spawn point. This logic is all working. It's maybe this bit that's not working so good. Now, this does work on ourself because we spawned in. Right. And it should, by all accounts, be passing in the spawn point just fine. That shouldn't be an issue. Wait a second, what the hell is this? Who are you? Oh. Well, that's wrong. We need this. I could take this too. It should be the same value as this. Actually, hell, you know. Oh god, creator, owner, or controller? Shit, which one? Let's see if these are equal. You know, I'm somewhat satisfied with the logging as it is right now, but or at least in the spawn points. But let's leave it around a bit longer while we get all this other shit figured out. I bet whatever the hell was in there was just like a bad reference to Photon View. That would cause the issue. Although I guess it worked for the host somehow. I don't know. Unless we're like spamming calls or something and it's like cutting us down. Also a couple warnings going off, but those have been there forever. Not that we should never do anything about them, but I don't think it's the root cause of what's happening. Well, this is concerning. Didn't really expect to get stuck for like 1 hour on like what should have been something relatively simple. Okay, so now I want to play as the player here. Or I want to be the, receiver here. Oh, so these things don't equal. Okay. Oh, so these disagree. Well, that's certainly not good. This is for actor number 1. That might be the problem. Alright, cool. Yeah, so just like how we shouldn't have been using that, like, other photon view, I bet this, like, generic thing is not great for, like, finding the local actor number. Because these ones matched. I gotta go find the texture for the evil Goon face. Once we get that, we can just plop that on the face of our guy. No problemo. Keep ready to hit create. Damn it. Why won't you create my guy? What the fuck? Here's another question. In my RPC call, so there's target.all. Is there a way to call a specific player, though? Oh, player! Oh my god, yeah. The player would just be this player. Fantastic. I doubt that's necessary, but I don't know if there's some weird funkiness with, like... That wouldn't get invoked each time, though. So it would just be, like, the list and then it starts iterating through it, I think. It's been a long day. Oh, I forgot to build. Oh, and then, also take out this logic and this logic, because it does not seem to be correct. Well, we've proven this is only calling this once now, so I think that's okay. Oh, shoot. No, I know why this is happening. Oh my god. There's a slight problem with this. Or maybe there isn't. Maybe this is okay. So this is going to target the specific so like this will target like my player manager. And the only reason that actually will be fine is like this action is not attached to this object at all. I think that'll make it okay. So it was working before because we were running the init on every individual instance of the player manager. So like it would eventually reach out to like the other player manager instances. But like, because I'm calling it from this, it's only going to reach out to this player instance. I think. I keep forgetting to build. Networking shit. Am I right? Oh, God. Okay. So the only X factor is I don't know if like this being like a child object of whatever is going to cause problems here. Because I think like what you created in matters. No, he's there. All right, we did it. No, wait, let me make sure I can actually play. Yep. We playing. There's the bomb button. I totally know how to play. Oh yeah, let's add like a controls explanation in the main menu. I also need to fix this UI. Yeah, so let's fuck with the main menu now. I'm gonna commit this real quick though. Boom. Alright. Let's look at the list here. Separate spawn points while available. Or if available. Done. Bug fixes. The joinee keeps spawning in floor. Done. Because there's like two editor things I want to fix, but before we do any of that, number one, this is going to be the quickest thing ever. Just put a little thing in here. This is set up as... Oh no, this is all its own thing. Perfect. Pardon me. Let's put that guy in the corner. Boom. I guess I could even make that a title. Whatever. Who cares? It's fine down there. So I think what I want to do... Yeah, you know what? Actually, this is another like really small little UI thing I'd like to get sorted. I really should have like I'll put this on my list, but I don't think we're gonna do it tonight. Display selected map name in lobby. We might get to that. I don't know. We'll see. I have the string. I can get it from like anywhere, so it's not like it's not impossible. But for that, so the select map menu. This guy. Just want to rename this to official versus levels, and of course we're going to need to stretch these guys out a little more after I do this. Because eventually we'll have 2 more buttons for the campaign levels, but that'll come at a later date. Cool. Yep. Done. What else do we want to do here? Oh, I guess let's fix some bugs. Let's keep fixing bugs. Oh, stereo game version in corner, done. The next thing on my like feature list is like have some level of settings. So someone actually mentioned that they would prefer to have like an option to invert their camera controls. So I'll do that. Plus, just in general, like saving your username, I guess. So we'll move like this username field to like a different window or a different screen, along with those other settings, and then save that to a file so it'll load in each time. Oh, and control explanation. So that's all stuff I definitely want to do, but maybe let's fix some more jarring things first. Namely, so the in-game gameplay works fine on controller, but I was told the editor is not working great. Oh right, I need to place a block. Yeah, oh wait, no yeah, it is doing the thing again where you can only move diagonally. Okay. Which is really odd, especially considering that I'm like very precisely pressing one direction or the other. The camera seems to work normally-ish. And then the other thing is like the built version of the game, for whatever reason, like this screen is just not right. Game end screen. Screen space overlay. Maybe that's what the problem is. Either that or I've like set up something horribly wrong in here. Oh shoot. Yeah, you know what? Instead of that, we should just have it be centered. This probably will fix everything. Yeah. I think that alignment's what's fucking it up. Let's test it out. At least we tackled the hard one first, knock on wood. I don't know, this could be a nightmare too, I don't know. It could be the overlay type too. I might need to just fiddle with the settings a little bit. Oh, fuck. Wrong scene. Bitch. I fixed it. Huzzah! Oh, now that's interesting. The click return to room button does not give you that error that the escape button does. This thing. Okay. That's good to know. Alright, well, game end on built versions fixed. New custom levels don't get populated. Oh, this is a thing I wasn't sure if is actually an issue or not. So let's test it real quick. I'll do it on a built version, just because it'll be easier that way. Or I can be more certain that there's not some weird editor shit happening, I guess. Okay, so level editor, right? We got all our levels here. So let's go make a new level. I don't know why I'm making this like a legit level. But whatever. Right. So now we exit, and then we go into the level editor, load existing. No, it's there. We can load it and everything. Okay. Not a bug. Fixed. Love it. I guess that was more of like a test case I needed to run through, more than an actual bug. I just had a hunch because of the way that list gets loaded. It should only be getting like loaded once, but I guess it loads every time you come back, which is great. Oh, this goes to the bottom of like anything I'm gonna work on. So that last thing I had on Wednesday when I was working on the scroll lists for that menu for like the maps when you're choosing which map, how the background is not there. That's like a layer ordering thing, but I don't care. I'm not gonna fix that right now. Oh, quick and simple things for the editor. So we have our full help menu. Our edit file properties. Alright, cool, it fits. It fits, but then both of these guys need to move very slightly. I think you need like 25 more, right? Or maybe more than that? Yeah, it might be a full 50. So then move it down 25 because we moved it up 50. And boom. I didn't hide the flippin' menu, god damn it. Yeah. This should work, right? Hold on. This might not be the proper way to paste this in. Nope. Actually, wait. Would that work? Nope. Keyboard Unicode emoji. No, yeah, the actual keyboard. Thank you. Thank you, Emojipedia. It doesn't like that at all. Yeah, I should really use a sprite for that. There's no time. Whatever. One thing down. Yeah. So that's just making sure that all the things are listed. Sync deaths. Oh yeah, okay. That's another thing. That's kind of important, but as far as like an alpha build goes, I'd put that kind of like second least important. You can actually have like one player think the game's over and the other person doesn't. Just because everything, like all of the like explosions are managed client side, so like you can have a disagreement about whether or not a player died to an explosion. I think I just need to make the host be the end-all be-all determination of that. And have that handle destroying other players and everything. I think I didn't do that specifically because there's like a mild issue with that, but we'll find it. We'll figure it out rather. This is not still. Oh god. This is just a temporary thing, right? Yeah. Prevent joining after the game. That's not really a bug. Yeah, whatever. It's in my bug list. It's in my bug list. It's fine. It's also, there was something that I remembered. It says third thing, even though like I have 7 things listed now. But I didn't write it down in time, and it's just gone now. Let's figure out why the editor controller controls aren't working properly. Also, I'd like to find a way. You know what? Maybe we'll have like a. Ooh, we could do a similar thing to the camera movement, where like maybe the bottom right corner will have like the controller UI. Well, and then like a separate button would like spawn that in. The problem I'm having there is like we need like generic language. I guess I could figure out what controller is connected, but I can't because if you have multiple controllers, it doesn't really work. I guess that's not a super realistic scenario though. Most people just have one controller plugged in. Either way, I need to grab some more water, and I'm gonna grab myself a beverage as well. And then we'll get this error figured out, and then we can worry about the UI, the help UI for controller. I do want to set up a, I guess I'll do like a diagram. Maybe I could do a diagram for this as well. Yeah, that might be the way to do it. Like, we'll just draw something, and then those will just be 2 diagrams for like how to use controller, because it'll need to be generic, because, you know. Alright, be right back. Alrighty. Also, I'm just going to take one minor piece of feedback and specify that that is the X key, not the X button, which is an understandably important differentiation to make. Dude, the Bomberman Hero soundtrack goes so hard. It also isn't like crazy visible, unfortunately. I don't have great ideas around that. Okay. Isn't there an exit button as well? Am I missing other controls on here? Hold on. I totally am. But do they have keyboard equivalents is the important bit here. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong menu again. Classic. This also doesn't mention much on the save menu. Oh yeah, I guess we should list escape. Alright, we need to edit this a bit more. So we got place tile, we got next and previous tile. Save menu, help menu, all that's good. I'm gonna cheat. That might confuse people and think they're rotating the block. I don't give a shit. Yep, that's all the controls. Okay. And then in the editor, I guess really there's just like... There's like partial controller support here, that's it. And this doesn't even do anything right now, so I'm not concerned about that. Okay, so we added 2 more. Which means we need to increase the height by 100, right? Oh, wait. What's happening? Oh. Maybe we don't need 100. Maybe it's... It could be 75, could it? I don't think 50 is going to be enough. That confuses me, but whatever. So this should be less, right? Oh no, we need more. There's so many layers of shit. Hold on, let me get this out of the way temporarily. I think we're in the... Yeah, we're in the viewport. Cool. I should have been editing the background alongside this. Oh well, I just need to copy the values. Simple enough. 375. And then 200. Oh, 75 wasn't enough. Or wait, maybe it is? Oh, it totally is. Wait, no. This is an illusion. Now I'm not sure, because it's set up like this, so like it's hard to look at it straight ahead. I guess let's just look at it in the game. It's the silliest shit. Yeah, no, it's totally fine. Okay. Oh, it's totally fine, except it's not flush with the top anymore. Okay, hold on. Can fix that too. That's what was off. I'm like, something's not right about this, I don't know what. So the position needs to be like a little bit higher. Like that. 187 might be it. That would make sense, because it's like half of like 75 or whatever, right? Forward and backwards is the first thing in that list, right? It is, okay. Cool. Alright. That's resolved. Now. Editor controller. What the hell are you doing? Did I, like, lose a dead zone value or something? God. Well, then you would just assume it's always moving, if that were the case. So I really don't know what's up with that one. But I guess let's double check, right? Oh, I gotta focus on the window. I also need to have it run. Makes sense. Okay. So I pushed it very gently forward. So that's the problem, it's already got some X value to it. Yeah, so it's like, hell yeah, let's do both. Okay, I bet I borked something in here in the config. Left stick on the gamepad, sticks on dead zones. Well... It definitely really seems like this should not be exceeding the dead zone. Alright, Unity. Input. Action. Ignoring. Stick dead zone. Perfect. 2019. Well, this definitely seems like an old bug what they're experiencing here. So I might not be doing this right now that I'm looking at it. Cannot log this? Oh. I haven't read it yet. So yeah, I suppose that would stop me from logging it. Fuck it, let's get spammy. I think I'm gonna just put my own fucking dead zone in here because it's the one this shit's not working. I would like to make it work, but I also just don't care. Okay, so at most... Oh right, no, I'm looking at the wrong axis. Yeah, so the y-axis, it goes from 0 to 1. And this is the idle, and it's like 0.2. Oh no, that was the last thing it read before it. I think sensitivity-wise, like... Probably 0.5 and above is pretty good. Maybe even more. Yeah, let's make it pretty deliberate. I'm gonna have it set to 0.75 or higher. Because on keyboard this will always be 0.1 because it's just it's just like normalizing it, so that's fine. It's one of those, this sucks, but there's nothing I can do about it in the time frame I've given myself. Okay, so we need to spawn something. Okay, yeah, so I can go not diagonally now. In fact, I actually can't go diagonally anymore because the controller... Oh, there you go. If I wedge it just right, I can make it go diagonally. Cool. Fixed. Yeah, you know, this error on exit room, I think I'll come back to that tonight, but it really doesn't matter that much. We'll be doing a release build, so like those errors aren't going to pop up for people. So let's go back to some features then, because everything else error-wise are like things that I'm just skipping over. So yeah, settings. I think that's the number one. There are settings and then like just general like control explanations. I'm actually gonna... I'm gonna say... We're gonna split this out. Game controls explanation and then level editor controller controls explanation. The game controls are more important anyway because, like, oh yeah, you know what? I need to put make levels on this list because I keep forgetting that I need to do that. I'm prioritizing my list in real time. I don't think we're gonna add a sudden death to the game yet. Yeah, actually, screw all the, like, per match rules right now. We'll eventually need that, but, not for now. Alright, so, settings. Let's go ahead and make that. We'll call these config settings. Alright, so we got our inverts, we got our username, yeah, yeah. Okay, so we got a constant for the file name. This will be currently all we use in the file name. I don't think there's anything else to set right now. I keep hitting save on my just scratch pad that I'm using. I don't know why that's highlighted, but whatever. This is Room Manager? Yeah, so this is like the thing that has everything in it. This is gonna be kind of dumb, but the thing that this needs to hold, or the place that this data needs to be held, is gonna be on the same object that this thing lives anyway. So I'm totally okay with this. Oh, what does this do? Oh yeah, okay. So that's building that stuff. The player manager. God, it's been so long since I touched any of this stuff, minus the newer methods in here. One day I will learn to spell methods correctly. Today is not that day. I think of when we save this file. We don't want to like spam save to it. I guess when you exit out of this new menu, we'll save to it. Yeah, it seems pretty good. My clipboard right now? Oh, that thing, yeah. Oh, return equals. Alright, now we just need to do this. Not void. Yeah, I really need to stop jamming everything in here, that's a problem.
The game's over.
Yeah, this code... this is not good code. Just plain and simple. Okay, so we can call save settings from our menu thing whenever we save stuff. The fuck is this song? Alright, wait, actually I don't even know what this is. You know what? We're going... It's gonna keep the N64 rolling here. Oof. So this is only half the... Well, actually, this is only like a third of the equation. That's just, like, file management. Oh, right, I need to... So... read the file, first of all. And then if that's not there, we need to make our own. And then launcher. Oh, I guess this is going to need references to all that stuff. So let's go ahead and set that up. Nope, main menu. Hey, Z, thanks for the 22 months.
Hey, someone you follow released something new. Check it out. Goon's Blast. Alpha. A comic by
A comic? A comic? Hold the fucking phone. Okay, what the fuck? I had this set as a game. What the I might have changed that with my keyboard hotkeys. Like I was focused on the window and didn't realize it. Well, that's fixed. Son of a bitch. Just got the email. It's gone out to thousands of people now. Everyone will think I've made a comic. In spite of the fact that the product page has nothing but details about a video game on it. Granted, there are no screenshots or videos yet, so for all you know, it might be a comic. Okay, so this menu is probably a good one to steal from. Kind of. Copy. Editor menu, so this is going to be the settings menu. We'll also need a controls menu. That one will be simple. Boop, boop, boop. Actually, hell, let's just make that now. And this will just literally be a back button, then 2 static images. Or something like that. We'll just need links to those in the title menu. Which we'll take care of that in a second. Okay, settings menu. So I think we'll want like a cancel and a confirm. Or whatever. So it would help if I can see what I'm working on. Details. Okay. How you doing, ZD, by the way? Oh, wait, shit, not the text. Button. That was like super not the right thing to edit. There we go. Good. Just burning some time with this new incremental game I got. How are you? I'm doing well, thanks for asking. Something like 290, and then we bump this over another 5 pixels. And same for this guy. Okie doke. And this we're pretty much gonna almost exactly just steal this username field, because that's not gonna be on the main menu anymore. That'll be in here. And then we don't need an event when this gets changed. Yeah, on change username. It's in the launcher. Ah, it's right here. On change username. Oh, hey, look, a to-do for exactly what we're doing right now. Neato. So, more or less, we'll have the initial load. Once it finishes loading, we'll set the nickname, and then every time you go into this menu, in addition to updating the config value that we save back to file, we will also set this nickname here. So, on save settings, or on save config settings. We can have it just yeah, we'll just grab from the text input. Don't forget to check in your properties files. No, I refuse. I refuse to check for that. And I'm insulted that you'd ask, to be honest. Shit, hold on. So, room manager, load settings happens over here. Okay, so that happens on awake. I think we move this down from awake to start. Oh, room manager, not menu manager. Oh, you know what? Load config settings. Okay, checked is definitely not what that property is called. We'll get to that in a second here. I guess checkbox is not... Oh shoot, maybe it's not called checkbox. Yeah, Unity's angry, what's new? Well, we don't need these buttons on this menu. Let's go ahead and see what the hell this is called. Oh, it's a different type of input field, right. How does that work? I think there's like a drop down somewhere of like what type of input is this? Underneath maybe? No. Alright, hold on. Unity UI checkbox. Toggle. It's called a toggle. But also, where the... Oh. Top option. I think that'll auto scale with the general size of this thing. Or not. Okay, well, congratulations. That's annoying. Wait. Oh, right, I set this. 50's fine. Just set it to 50. so the text area is correct. It's just, the font needs to be bumped up. Boom. And also it needs a background, but, don't know how to do that, so we're gonna deal with this, I guess. Oh, we'll change the font to white so it's at least visible. Oh, also I should probably have it say the thing I need to. Also, this is backwards. Hold on. Change places. Maybe we make that a little bit bigger. It's jank, but she'll do. How do I... Is this just gonna start checked? You know, it doesn't matter at all because we're gonna set it anyway. Also, they're totally not in the right position, but that's what we're doing now. You know, these could totally be side by side. Oops. 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 Where did it go? Damn it. 25, there we go. These are awkwardly squished up against each other, but we'll make do. I think we bring these buttons up a little bit. That'll do it. My UI maestro, what can I say? Just gotta wear those two buttons up. I've already forgotten what this fucking thing is called. Toggle. So checked is not the right... It's just value? No, it's is on. Of course. Whatever. Don't care. Right, so now what we need... Oh, I also need to go back here and remove that event that happens every time this gets updated, because we don't want that anymore. Yeah, on change username. Be gone. All right. Oh, and then menu manager dot. Title menu. Sure, we call that elsewhere in here, right? Okay, yeah, totally. Nice. Error. Oh, no, loading. Oh, and then we gotta wire those up to those respective yeah, so instead of that, oh, also, oh shoot, you know what, actually, damn it. I thought I could get away with this, or with just calling load config settings, because like that's all that needs to really do on cancel, but we also need to close the menu, so I will make a separate call for that exact reason. Okay, so instead of all of that, just take launcher on where this is the cancel one, so this would be on cancel config settings, and this one is on confirm config settings, or on save config settings. Boom. Okay, we just need to get to this menu and then we're good. I believe there is also a list of menus somewhere. Yeah, okay. Let's add 2 more. We got our settings menu, and then we also have our controls menu, which is still TBD. Controls menu has a back button, which I believe is fine to leave as is. Yeah, that'll just go back to the title menu. You don't need to do anything else, because that menu is just going to be there for a diagram. So that'll save people's settings, and that should manage your username correctly, hopefully. Let's see if it does. Null reference exception. Good. That's how I like to start this. Wait, what? It's null, it should return. Why is it... What? Oh, I didn't set the reference to that thing. Okay, yeah, that's fair. Right, so the invert things, here's the x-axis one, here's the y-axis one. Boom, there, fixed forever. Well, crap. So we should be Tony Swan, yeah, okay. I forgot to add the button. It didn't create a save file yet, but it won't do that until you actually save anything. Until then, you'll just get the default settings. So that'll be the title menu. We just need to add another button to that. Actually, hell, we'll just add both while we're at it. Seems fine to me. So that'll be, instead of editor button, we want settings button, controls button. And all we need to do is just reference those respective. This is the controls one. Ah, fuck. There we go. Settings one. That will go to the settings menu. Simple as that. Whew. Yeah. Good dust fuzzle just like went in my mouth. Gross. Maybe it's a centipede, who knows? Settings. Well, that's not good. This should be not checked. Unless this is assuming yes by default, but it should be false by default. How curious. Oh, I didn't go through startup, that's why. So it didn't load the main menu. Should be good now. Yes, we got false, we got Tony Swan. I don't know why that happened 3 times, that's scary. Cool, but these are off now. Okay, so that saved, or that put my name in there correctly. Yeah. We are in the game. If I back out now. Oh my god, stop. Oh, good. Yeah. Got my username Goon. Loaded in my correct settings. Awesome. If I close the game now and reopen it, it should do the same. So I'm not even going to open that menu over there. I'm just going to create a room. It should still be Goon. Boom. Alright. Halfway functional. We still need to make the invert controls work. So, game done, ship it. We're getting close. We are getting close. I mean, the game's not going to be done, but we're getting close to an alpha release. What's up, Skull Spidey? How you doing? I'm gonna grab myself another drink, fix it with patches. I mean, yeah. There's actually, I got most of the bugs fixed. It's just features now that I want to put in that most games should have, even if you're releasing a super alpha, like, not at all finished build. Too bad. 100% of the RE4 challenge list last night. Nice. That is intense. That includes like A ranking professional. Wait, is there one for like S rank on professional, or is it just A rank? But also S plus for hardcore and casual. It's nutty. Professional. Oh, there is one for professional S plus specifically. Okay, yeah. Fun. I don't think I'll be doing that. With tradition though, I am going to go through and do all the achievements, none of which involve getting an S rank in professional. Or S plus. You gotta finish it. And preferably I'd like to get at least an A rank so I can unlock that that gun. I've done my time. I know it's an easier game, but I did Village of Shadows with no New Game Plus items. I'm good. Hardcore S Plus sounds like it'll be fun. I haven't even played Professional yet, so I probably shouldn't judge too early, but like, Professional felt like really well balanced. This is for you. Shit, I don't know that line. Oh, wait, from Diddy Kong Racing. I was in Resident Evil mindset. This verse is for you. Or, I can only remember the dinosaur's voice. I don't remember. No, wait, yeah. The octopus has that, like, that, like, weird modulated voice that's, like, very wispy. I don't remember what the dragon sounds like, or the, can't remember the other guy. What the hell is the other guy? Whatever. The snow level dude. Is he a penguin? No. Doesn't make sense. Hardcore's deal difficulty. Professional can go die in a corner. That's fair. I definitely got frustrated in a couple parts of Professional, but like I feel like it was overall like it was so perfectly balanced, at least for me. I was never able to like let my guard down, even when I had like an abundance of resources. It's like, okay, well, alright, this is all good code. We just need to actually use these invert settings now. Can all be god gamers? I'm not. I'm not even gonna try to get an S plus. Listen, you're the one sitting here with an S plus on Professional. If anyone's the god gamer here. It's clearly me. No. Got me going now. I might play a little bit of that once we release this. But we gotta finish it first. Okay, so there's two places I need to edit this. So there's the level editor controller. We got the rotate camera. Rotating camera. Handle rotate camera. Actually, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the old fucker's trick here, where we just multiply by a number. Room manager dot get config settings. If they're not null, actually, wait, I'll just do it this way. Fuck. This way, no one will be able to read it. Oh, I stopped committing after I implemented each individual feature. Unlucky. Oh wait, I have this backwards. So we want this to be -1 if invert is true, and then 1 otherwise. And then likewise, invert the y-axis, false if null. Alright, so that'll do that. This will be silly because I am copying a little bit of code here, but it will literally only ever be in 2 places. Hopefully. So the rule of 3 is if there's a 3rd place I need to copy this code to, we'll break it out into some common logic somewhere, but I don't think that is needed currently. Okay, so did I save everything? Yeah. So I have done the unholy act of inverting my x-axis camera, which means now if I go into a game, yep, I guess you guys can more or less see that. I'm moving to the right and my camera's going, but these are still as expected. Up goes up, down goes down. Oh god, that makes me sick. Not like physically, just orally. Oh, I should test Y. And also I should test this in the editor too. Ah, I need blocks. Whatever. Alright. I'm not sure this is working. Hold on. Let me go back real quick. I invert my y-axis too. Also, just to test the cancel button, it works good. Really fucked my shit up here. Okay, well the y-invert works. I guess that is the inverted x, because it should be going the other way. Yeah, okay, yeah. It's working. I can turn off these horrid features now. I think that checkbox is not the right font size. Hold on. Hold the fucking phone. Not the label. Check mark. It's not a font. Oh, but it's not the right size. Yeah. Should be like 50-50. I knew something looked weird about that. It kind of stretched it, which was weird, because it was like super tiny initially. Or maybe it didn't, maybe I just thought it did. Sweet! Let's go ahead and commit that code. Save. Add settings menu, save username, add inverted controls settings. Also added missing info to editor control explanation. Cool. Alright, add settings is done. Next on the list is add a game controls explanation. I'm gonna reorganize my priorities here really quick. That's still the next thing we're doing, but also promoting this from I know you guys can't see what I'm doing. Here, suppose I could share in on the fun here, if you can read that. So, control explanation, then level editor controls. Actually, wait, hold on. No, that goes way lower. Actually, this is the same thing. So get rid of that. And then next we'll make it so players just die if they go below a certain Y value. I think actually the death log, that's gonna go above adding controller explanation for the controller to the editor window. Yeah. Big brain coding. I mean, there's like so much better things I could do than this to like manage stuff, but I mean, this is all kind of, this list kind of formed today, so should really be using like Trello or like, honestly, if I get feedback from people, which I don't know if that'll happen or not, but I'll keep an actual bug log that's not just a text document. And maybe even make that visible somewhere so people can see what I'm working on. Yeah, I don't think we're going to be doing any modeling or audio or adding audio or anything like that. We gotta get the store page set up too. But yeah, anyway, fuck. This might be time for art. So I feel like I can probably explain this in text for the keyboard. But as far as the controller goes, it would be so much easier to just have like a diagram that I draw. This is gonna be one of those images. Oh no, it's not. Aha! Am I allowed to use this? Oh, this is from the Apple Store. I'm gonna assume no. Generic gamepad template. Ah, okay, here we go. Creative Commons 0 license. Yes, my man! Don't need to even attribute you, nice frog. Thank you. The only thing I don't... Well, I guess I'll just edit it. The thing I don't like about it is that it's, Oh, here. It's got buttons, or it's got, like, labeled buttons on it, you know? But we're gonna be editing it anyway, so... That's fine. Oh, I hope my UI doesn't blow up here. Do 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 do. Boo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Boop, 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 boop. Ah! Wait a second, there's an SVG. What am I doing? I hope this knows how to open SVGs. Interesting. Interesting choice there. Whatever. It still has like a ton of artifacting on it. What the fuck? Well, you get what you pay for, right? Fuck it. Where's the dropper? Let's get rid of that. Here's a thought. What if I did this intelligently? The funny part is going to be when I import this image and I can't tell if I'm like not importing it with the right settings or if it just has artifacting that looks that jank. Honestly, well, there's like shading on it. I'll leave it as is. It's fine. Hold on. God, there's so many sweet ass soundtracks Rare did back in the day. I say Rare like it's one person, but you know, several different musicians that Rare hired. There, that's what I was looking for. I mean, the shoulder buttons don't really do anything for the gameplay, so that's probably fine to like not really address. Okay, that looks horrible, and I'm going to undo that. The shoulder buttons, you can't really tell. I guess up here you kind of can. Oops, wrong shade. Eh, whatever. It already looks pretty bad, so that's fine by me. Boop, boop, boo, doo, doo, boo, doo, doo. Hold on. Time for me to interact with my file system. Wait. Oh shit. GIMP is just on screen anyway. I don't think the save as window pops up for you guys though. It totally doesn't. Perfect. Okay, we need a bigger image than this. I guess I can just do this though, right? Canvas size. Do not resize layers. Yeah. Let's just make it a good old 800 by 400. Isn't there a button that keeps this centered? Bleh. I guess I have to do the math. That is not gonna be enough space. Okay. Oh, centered. Blah, God, it's right there. Maybe 1,000? Now I want this text to show up clearly, so 1400 might be a bit much. 1200 seems okay. Actually, some more vertical space would work too, so then we can start putting stuff above as well. So that layer is on its own layer. That's fine because we're gonna make another layer either way. We'll call this labels. Now is the part where I forget what the hell the controls are to my game, so one moment here. There we go. Eh. Give me a big, thick line. Perfect. Oh no! Huzzah! Shoot. What font should I use? I don't even know. I don't know font stuff, man. Move. Like I shouldn't have all of these be that loud. Move! Wait, shit. Confirm that, please. No. Oh my god, how do I, like... Cause I can't, like, move this around until that's, like, confirmed, right? I totally can, never mind. La 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 la. I see, now we've got this, like, box over here that's a problem. Oh, it's its own layer, okay. Excuse me? Why can't I... What? What's happening? I can't draw a straight line no more. There we go. This looks like a fucking like a children drew it. Good. Oh, I guess that's okay. It's weird that it seems like temporary. Crap, I minimized my control layout, so I need to do this again. Is there a run button? I forgot I put a run button in. I've just made a horrible mistake. This should all be in white. Holy crap. Seriously? Well, we can always edit that, I guess. God. Perhaps my font size is a bit too large. Just saying. Oops, wrong layer. This is gonna be a doozy to fit in. I might have to make this smaller. Or 2 lines or something, I don't know. Yep. Alright, compromises will be made. Ta-da! What a beautiful control scheme. Am I right, chat? Am I right or am I right? Alright, export this file. I think that's the only thing I'm going to need to do here, so goodbye, GIMP. Save. Forgot about that. Those beautiful textures that we have in game currently. Oh, you love to see it. Yeah, you know what? We're gonna actually maybe go. Well, let's see, right? Oh, right. I can't just put a texture in here. How do I do this in the UI menu? I guess image is what I'm looking for. UI image polar source image. I need to make this a sprite. Create a sprite. Fuck. Unity texture to UI image. No, 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 not programmatically, damn it. Give me the dipshit easy answer here. Oh, I had to just change the import settings for it to be a sprite. Dope. Somewhere in here. Alright, I think we want this for starters. None of that is turning it into a sprite though. Alpha is transparent. Yep. Sprite. I don't know how I missed that. Awesome. Hey, look, our text showed back up. It's still not gonna look good, which is unfortunate. Totally not at all my fault. Okay, we gotta put it on the right size though. Bada bing, bada boom. It's a bit large though. Maybe we scale this down. I don't know how well this will scale though, but the text is so big that it probably will be okay. Honestly, it's like kind of almost okay, except I don't know. It's gonna be like controller, keyboard, you know. I can move the back button down as well. That doesn't need to be all the way up here. It's just that nothing will change the fact that the controller is just going to be gigantic unless I scale it down. I don't know how I want to center the keyboard data. You know, we'll just set this like to the full size, and then we'll align the actual like text thing, because that'll be fine. Just to make things maximally confusing, the keyboard input will be in white. Keyboard. I can spell stuff. Boom. Look how much little space that took, or how much less space that took. Alright, 400 height. Boom. Alright, now how does that look? Like, in reality here? Instead of a sod, make it the arrows? Never. Alright, I'm just gonna edit this image real quick. 1 second, chat. I shouldn't have closed GIMP so soon. Part of the reason I closed it is because I have like a special capture rule for it. So it was like over my just capture anything, and I'm like, ah, fuck it. I'm going in, chat. I went in too far. Yeah, we're doing this. We are flippin' doing this. I don't know if the run button works or not. Kinda seems like I should check that before I leave that in. Ah! Good, good. You know what? This kind of sucks because that's not gonna read so well. I'm gonna do this. Actually, wait. No, I'm gonna do this. Then there will be no confusion. Hopefully. Oh, I'm making it so much worse. The more colors I make this, the more likely that someone that is colorblind is going to be like, what the fuck am I looking at? Oops. There. Now no one can understand it. I'll do like a dark green for this. Oh, and last but not least, missed this guy. I'm not recoloring the words to go along with this. This looks horrible enough as is. Okay. Export as, yes, replace it. Alright, we got our diagram here. Um... I think let's take a couple screenshots here. Oh, save changes, close. I gotta update this and also bring my monitor back. No, my build folder. Oh. Alright. Hold on. Builds. My builds. I gotta overwrite it this way. So that way it won't like think it's a new file. Boom. Alright. So that should work, or that should update on its own. Yes! We did it! Alright. Controller diagrams complete. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take a couple screenshots of the game. Oop, close that guy out. You know what? This would be better if I did it on a build. Oh, what are the screenshot requirements on itch? Oh, it's just the cover image that it wants a specific size. Okay, cool. Oh no, it's recommended. It's not even, just needs to be over a minimum. Gotcha. Nothing better than, wait, shit, hold on. Sorry, I'm hiding again. Better than the good old Unity trial logo in the corner of your fucking screenshots. Just getting an in-game screenshot. We'll get an action shot for maximum. For maximum. Wait a second, something's wrong. Oh, I started from the wrong area. Shit. That startup scene is becoming more and more necessary. It's kind of annoying. Kind of weird though. I was like able to like actually open. I could load a match and like let me in, but I was just like a ghost. I think my cursor was in that shot. Hold on. Fuck. Yep, it sure was. Okay, hold on. Let me recreate that. And this time edit out the cursor. Alright. Windows sound effect, everyone's favorite. Cool. Alright, I'm back, chat. Hello. Oh no! I think we're gonna need to draw a logo for this, or maybe I can just use one of the images I just made, I don't know. Hey, it's the one that's la 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 la. Does this work? Boom. Perfect. Beautiful. What a beautiful video game. I forgot to update this store page. I mean, it's accurate. But I think people could probably figure out that I plan to put audio in the full release. Oh well. Yeah. Set game page to public. Already did that. Screenshot / video / GIF for store page. Done. We just need to upload the build, but I still want to make some more changes. We got a solid half an hour before midnight. Oh yeah, we need to make levels. Let's get the evil goon texture in here too. You know what, this will take me 2 seconds. Let me go find that thing. Into the goon's House of Doom code. Evilgoon.png, there it is. That's not the folder that goes in though. Boop boop boo. Boop boop boo doop. There's our boy. I hope this is everything D314 wished it would be. Where is the player? Materials? No. Resources? No fucking way, right? Oh my god, it is. Ant. Hello, Ant. Meet Evil Goon. Oh, no. Pull the, hold on. Texture... No. Sprites? Default? Yes! He's beautiful. I think his front face doesn't work properly. Let's see what happens when I go into a game. Oh, I can just hit play. What am I doing? We need a goon shader. That would make this work proper. It's upside down also, which I could pretty easily fix. Ah, my controls are inverted. God damn it, Torpid, this is your fault. Gross. Get it out of here. There we go, much better. Oh yeah, run does still work. I completely forgot there was a run button. I might have even been using it subconsciously. I'm sure I could flip that somehow so that it's right side up. Let's do that. That should only take a moment. If this is still a thing at 11:31, I'm gonna just give up on it and let it be. I think I just need to shift the texture. That might be here? No. That's gonna be on the resource, or the material rather, that got generated. But I think I can access that from here. Oh, right. Yeah. I guess that's just gonna use the default sprite shader, which I can't really mess with. Maybe there is a texture setting I can fiddle with a bit here. I'm gonna go ahead and say no. There probably isn't. If I rotate this 180 degrees, though, I think that would fix it. Because the face that's, like, right side up would be... Oh, no, I guess it already is on the front. Oh, no! That works. Hold on.
Yeah.
Ah! Oh, I guess there's always a side that's going to be upside down, but this way the forward-facing face will be right side up. There we go. We did it. Okay, that wasn't even on my list, I think. Oh yeah, no, that was on my list. Add evil goon face. I've saved make levels for last, in the last like 30 minutes here, but before we do that, I want to add a quick script to kill any players that fall below a certain Y value. Just so like if you spawn into a level that's like jank, you'll die. I wanted to put in like a death log of like, oh, player X killed player Y, but I don't think that's happening in this build. Ugh. Wow. And I backed this. Well, on the bright side, like, look how much it's evolved. At first it was a comic, and now it's a whole 3D online game. For those that joined us later today, I accidentally set my product page to a comic somehow. I think I had my window tabbed in, I didn't realize, and I was like pressing buttons that changed some drop down. So ZD got an email notification that Mr. Goon published some new content, a comic named Goon's Blast. That has since been fixed. Yeah, so that should be pretty simple to do, though. I think the player controller kind of handles its own death right now. And hey, convenient, that's the thing we have open right now. You just have to own it. It's a camera now, or it's a game now. Mr. Goon magazine. Too good. Handle explosion collision. That's exactly what I was looking for. Alright. Private method. Why was I typing that? Private void die. String. Cause of death. Oh, oops. This is a very cut and dry way to do it, but whatever. It'll work. I definitely don't want to do it the way that I've done this in the past, because it'll be a lot harder to implement in the editor. We'll call it -30. I'm sure that's not too bad, right? I also need to make sure that that goes in that direction. It's not downward, but I'm pretty damn sure that it is. This will tell me. Yeah. Y goes down as you go down. So I'm not dead, I'm not dead. However, if I jump down... Okay, that's way too long. Or it's broken. I think it's broken. Oh, I'm not calling it. That helps. That's more than 30, yeah. Yep, sure is. Where the hell is my update loop? There it is. Oh, I just got some fun ideas for some sudden death things. I'm gonna write this down. Hey Torpid, check out these controller diagrams. Anyway. Did you know Bomberman was the first Battle Royale? I don't think that's true. There was, however, a Bomberman Battle Royale game, and I'm very sad it's gone now. Actually, I don't even know if that's true. Just check if that's true. Alright, I keep falling. That's no good. I think I should, like... It worked, but, like... I think I need to, like, fix my position. These are amazing diagrams. Why, thank you. I still haven't created a diagram for the editor. That's not gonna make the cut. Again, these are all things that eventually I will get right and like actually put in the build that I will upload then. But god damn it, I need an arbitrary deadline to actually like push myself forward on this project. An arbitrary deadline of 20 minutes from now. Shit balls, where are we at? So this works. Oh, you know what it is? I think the fixed update is doing this. Oh no, this checks for if it ended. Wait a second. Something's wrong here. This update shouldn't do any of this if it's not mine, right? I guess this works solely on the fact that like, that's just strictly working because the actual input processors don't do anything if it's not mine, I guess. I'd feel safer with this here, though. But because we're not syncing deaths across... that's another thing that on my to-do list that I didn't get done, is, like, sync the death didn't mean to open that. Sync the death across, like, players. Like, when one person dies, either that client should let everyone know that they died, or, the server host should be the only determining factor of whether or not a player died. And I think I have a pretty good path forward for doing that, but it's going to take me a hell of a lot longer than 20 minutes. I'm gonna just leave this as is and remind myself that there's a bug. Player keeps falling after hitting death plane. I mean, in general, I need a better solution for, like, your death cam, because you're just, like, stuck in place as is right now. It just stops accepting input from you. Okay, cool. So, I think... let's just make some levels. We'll do it on a built version. As we do this, I'm gonna go ahead and grab myself another beverage. I have ideas for levels already, and then we'll pack these into the build and cut a build, and we'll be done. The hell is that glass breaking? Oh, that's the, that's meant to be that way. Cool. This is track number 55. The band is messing up. Beer spilled over me. Alright, enough of that. Time for some Pizza Tower music. Find room, never. Just finished murders. Oh, alright, fine. What beverage did you pick? Nice. This is a bumbleberry. I refuse to elaborate any further. I mean, I know you know what that is, but alright. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, shit, I wasn't counting. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pizza. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the spacing is fucked. There, we made it okay. Symmetry? What's that? It's... That's like super off there. I need to put the spawners in too. Man, I guess there's like a lot of things I could do. I really wish I could like hold the like place button and just keep going. But actually more comfortable on a controller if I were to do that. So one future feature I'd like to put in, and I'm actually like, it's probably wouldn't be too hard to do from what I've got right now, but I have like, I guess security things I'm still thinking over of like actually having the players that like play a custom level like download it so that they could then play it again later. I haven't quite fully thought through like the potential consequences of that though. There were some bad actors, you know? Found some way to break through my impenetrable security. Whew, that was incredibly fucking tedious. So I might have been off by a little bit. Well, we can actually fix that. You can just pretend that never happened, shave off we got 3 on this end, 3 on that end, 3 this way, and I think we have 2 this way, which is, well, we can just add on, right? Bada bing, bada boom. This might not be as perilous as I was trying to make it out to be. Oh wait, shit. Okay, but then we gotta create the risk reward, right? So in the center, that's where we'll put the remote bombs, 100% spawn. These will just be fire power-ups, 100%. Put some bomb ups in here. But we'll throw a little random chance in, why not? That totally will be fair and not infuriating by any measurement. Oh yeah, I want to add more enums. Like, not just random, but like random with random chance for like lower item, like a lesser item, random chance for a like better item. Or, sorry, a random better item, a random lower item. I guess I need more items to like fully flesh that idea out, but alright, one level down. It took us 10 minutes. Holes. Great new level. This one might suck. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not sure. So I don't have the time to sit here and design it out proper. 5. Level Baby Park in Pizza Time. Oh yeah, also back on the topic of Sonic Murder Mystery, I was shocked to find out that that was made by Sega, and then I realized, oh, it's April Fool's. The one I'm making, yeah, this is Baby Park. No, I was trying to I wanted to make a level where it's like just like super classic style. I guess I could do that with just a really tall wall. But the problem is, because you're in like that like third person camera, I don't want to just be like, oh well, you like literally can't see anything now. Get wrecked. I'm doing this. Rip the part where I could tell where I was placing stuff, or where I'm moving my cursor, rather. I don't know how high you can jump. I think you might be able to get over this. Put one layer on top of this just to make sure. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, it's not lined up. This takes way too long. That's one of the first things I'm gonna be changing, I think, in the next version. It's making this not the worst fucking thing ever. Actual usable editor. Changelog. Also, spinning the camera around only just makes me dizzy because I can't tell which way I'm moving the cursor anymore. Rip. Ah! Case in point. This will be our final destination level slash modern architecture or modern art piece. What? I cannot explain to you how confusing how confusing I have made this level editor for myself. Again, I have no one to blame but me. I made it this way. Can't tell which way I'm going. I mean, you can probably see that I don't know what button I'm pressing because it's not relative to the camera. it's the fucking worst. But the important thing is, inverted camera controls are in the editor as well, should you choose to use them. Oh, I forgot to put spawn points in here. Shoot. That's not right. Hold on. One, two, three. Yeah, you are not that far away from the wall. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's only off by 1. It's kind of took its own shape. I got one more idea. Wait, no, don't host a room. Ah, I had to select something to get out of here. Damn it. And this level is made entirely out of breakable blocks. Wait. One, two, three, 4, 6, 7. But multi-layered. This needs to be a little bit bigger. Actually, no, that's fine for where the stuff starts, I think. I made that one a little thicker. So let me just expand out from here. I'm gonna leave totally legit level in. It's dumb, but it's staying. It's a hallmark. I really wish I had implemented a zoom in and out for the camera. Instead we got this, and that's about it. Yeah, I should have spaced this out a little bit more in retrospect. Oops. You know what? Let's see how that treats us. It's gonna be super small. Make sure I put these above ground, okay? Yeah, it's gonna be such tight quarters. You know what? I'm calling that done. Let's cut a build. Well, not quite. Okay, so dig, dual, and yes, Windows, I know. Thanks. And holes. I really should have like made some landmark levels initially. But it's too late for that. Now at least. So the absolute trickery I'm doing here is I take my level files, rename the extension to .txt, then dump them in my resource folder. But wait, there's more to this convoluted process. I then also need to go into my level editor scene. And then there's just this empty object that has an editor button. And I click that, and then that updates a text file. And then it doesn't work because what the fuck? Did I do that wrong? Assets, resources, levels, versus. That all looks like data. They're all in TXT format. Maybe it just didn't update yet. Yeah, it just didn't update yet. I guess I clicked play too fast. That's weird. Isn't that weird? Whatever. Yeah, now we got a bunch of levels. So I can play custom levels, or I can play one of these legit levels. Okay, good. Well, oh wait, shit, you can... Well, you can, like, hang in the air, I guess. Beyond that... You can wall clip... Oh, right, you can platform off your bombs right now. I need to... That's a future feature. TBD. It's like, you could get out of here, I guess. But, I mean, your prize of getting out of here is just... Either you hang out on the ledge, or you just fucking die because you went over the ledge. Also, jumping around on your bombs is a great way to get killed, too. Cool. Hey, it didn't do the error this time. Oh, no, it did. Just got drowned out by something else. Cool. Okay. Yeah, let's cut that build, baby. Boo-ba-doo, boo-ba-doo, ba-doo, boo-ba-doo, ba-doo, boo-ba-doo, ba-doo-doo. Wait, wrong build settings. Not a dev build. 22 minutes later? You wish. This thing's like no megabytes large because there's nothing in it. Goon's Blast. v0.0.1. I'm committing my code too. Boom, 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 boom. Code is all pushed. Do I have a GitHub command? I do not. Sorry. Well, on the store page, it links to the repo. So if I do !blast, there you go. The build isn't up there yet, but it will be in a second. So the build just finished. Let me zip it up. Oh, I should build this for other targets. Oh no, that's a universal build, isn't it? Oh no, that targets Windows. Whopping 26.4 megs. Huge game. I'll cut the other ones. Oh shit. That's what I was afraid of. Damn it. I don't have mono installed. Sorry, Linux users. I'll get that sorted later. Ultra promise. Also, this is gonna break everything. Cool, whatever. I have what I need out of Unity at this point. This is just nonsense at this point. Where did my window go, though? Oh, maybe it's loading all that shit. Maybe we will be able to build for Linux. No. And then same deal with Mac OS, because it's the same deal. Or, wait, no, it's not. Alright. Well, Mac users, you're in. Add a build. Upload. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Goon's Blast version 1.0.0.1 Windows. Let's get that Mac build, baby. I don't build it here. Goon's Blast v0.0.1 Mac OS. Macos, as they say in Australia. That's what they're talking about when they say that. Hide this file from being downloaded. No, thank you. I don't think I will. Now the real test would be to see if cross-build platforms, if people can connect to each other. I don't see why they wouldn't be able to, but I definitely have not tested that. I have tested that two completely remote computers on different networks can, in fact, connect to one another. But beyond that, that's about all I've done. Which, to be fair, is more or less all I need, I think. I assume this is what I need to upload for Mac. I don't fucking know, actually. It's like a contents folder. I feel like there should be more in here. Well, whatever. I don't know if I need to upload the other folder as well, but the other folder is just empty, so that doesn't make sense to me. I hope this is right. Mac users, please let me know if this like doesn't fucking work at all. I don't actually have anything to test that on, so... Dope. Alright. Save it. Cross off. Upload finalized build to store page. We also killed players below a certain Y value. We also made levels. That ain't too bad. There's like 7 things on my to-do list and 5 bugs. And also one of the 5 bugs is literally nothing. It's just, hey, I thought of something that I think is a bug and I didn't write it down. So there's a reminder to try to remember what the fuck it was. Let's write a blog entry. Or a devlog. Major update or launch. Yep. That's good. How do you spell pizzazz? There's 4 Z's in the word pizzazz, apparently. I only use 3. Guess I could dictate what I'm writing. In future builds, expect to see a lot better usability out of the in-game editor, as I'll be creating all versus mode levels using it, as well as the co-op campaign levels that will be eventually available. Meanwhile, this build supports not only the handful of maps I have built, out, but any custom levels that you make yourself. Playable across the net, just like the base levels. Additionally, plenty of gameplay features planned in future releases, such as additional power-ups, game match config settings, and more. This is written in English. Publish date. We're gonna cheat. Say it was yesterday. Cover image, no cover image. Enable comment. Published. I don't see it. Well. Okay, oh no, it took me to the... Look at this... Who was this Dr. Block commenting on my thread before I even get... It's like 2 minutes before I posted. Nice. Good shit. Well, that's it for the game dev portion of tonight. However, in true Unhinged fashion, we're gonna keep it going. But that's it for game dev. Like I said, I have been, you know, even though I didn't stream yesterday, I was doing this all night last night. Aside from a small break I took to play a couple of games of Rocket League with my coworkers. So I'm trying not to burn myself out on game dev stuff, so there will not be a game dev stream on Sunday, but next Sunday we'll resume as normal. We're gonna keep working on this. There's a lot of stuff I didn't get done tonight that I was hoping I'd get into this alpha build, plus a lot of stuff I have planned even beyond that, so certainly more to come on the horizon. But until then, the build is out there and available now, as is the source code, as it has been the whole time. So rock on, and thanks for watching this. If anyone's dropping off for the next segment, totally understandable, but I'm gonna play some video games. But also I'm gonna take a piss first, so BRB.